Hello guys, welcome back to our course. So this is the Oops course for beginners and this is the module number 4, and today we are going to see inheritance in Oops. So what is inheritance we are going to see. So I hope you have studied inheritance in biology, but that inheritance is different and this is the different inheritance. So that inheritance in real life and this inheritance in the programming world. So let us going to see this. So what is the inheritance in Oops? So first of all, we are going to see what is inheritance. So inheritance allows new classes to be based on existing classes. So in this inheritance, we are going to create new classes based on the previous existing classes. So it is a inheritance like the new class inherit attributes and behaviors of existing class, and existing class is called parent class or superclass, and new class is known as child class or subclass. So I hope that you have understood this. So we have parent class, we will create parent class, and we will inherit all the behaviors and states of that and methods of that parent class to our child class. So this is known as inheritance. So this is very simple. So why we use inheritance and how to implement inheritance, we are going to see all these things in this module, and we are going to see some coding problems on this inheritance. So let us see. So now this is the example of inheritance. So we are going to see this basic program of inheritance in Java. So this is same for all the programming language. So first of all, we are going to enter the class. Class is a keyword. I hope you have understood this because we have already explained all these things in my previous videos. And after that, vehicle is a class name. So we have created a class which name is vehicle, and we have given this curly braces for creating class. So this is the syntax of creating class. Now we are going to perform inheritance. So how we can perform inheritance? So this is the example of that. So now this is the vehicle class, this is a parent class. Now we are going to create one child class which will be in the class of vehicle. So now how to create inheritance or how to implement inheritance in programming. So now we have created one class. Class is a keyword. We have created class name car. So class is the car name of child class. So now this is very important. Now understand this. This is the extents. So extents is used to inherit the properties of parent class to the child class. So extends is a reserved keyword in the Java. So now we use extends to inherit the properties of vehicle class. So now this is the syntax. We have created class name is car, and we have used extends vehicles. So now car will inherit all the properties of vehicle class. So consider that we have given the variables and methods in this vehicle class, then we can access all these methods and attributes of vehicle class in this car class, because this is the child of vehicle class. So we can inherit all the properties of parent class. So like you can consider in real world that you have all the access to your parent properties. So we have the access of your parent bikes, you have the access to of your parents home. So you have access all the things of your parents. So this is like in inheritance in programming world. So now we have understood the basic syntax or implementation of inheritance. Now we are going to see one program on based on the inheritance. So this is the program. So now we are going to understand this program. So likewise we have created one class. Class name is vehicle, and this is the parent class. We have given this curly braces, and in that curly braces, so this is the open bracket and this is the close bracket. Okay, so in this is the block of code in which we are going to enter all these things in our vehicle parent class. Okay, so now we have created one method named start. So we have created one method whose name is start, and this is a void. Void means it will not written anything. Okay, so now we have created one method. The method name is start, and we have print vehicle started. So we are going to print this string. So we are going to print vehicle started, and we have understand all these things in our core Java course. So if you don't know the Java, then you can watch the playlist of that core Java course. I have given the link of that core Java course in description, so you can go and watch full playlist of that core Java, so you will understand all the fundamentals of Java. Okay, so now we have created one method called start, and we have printed vehicle started. Okay, so this is the void, and this is the block of our void start method. Okay, now this is the our block of code of vehicle class. Now we are going to create new child class. Okay, so now we have created class car name. Class name is car, and we have extends the in or inherit the all properties of vehicle. So this is the inheritance. So now we have created one more uh, method which is known as start. Okay, so we have created one more method in our child class which is known as void start. So now you are thinking that we have already mentioned void start in our parent class, and we are again creating one method called same name in our child class. So how this can be run? So I think that you are thinking that this will create error, but uh, you don't know. I think you don't know about overriding or overloading. So this is the concept we are covering in our uh, further videos. So just understand, we have created one more method which is known as void start. Okay, so now this is the super keyword. Super keyword will access the method of this parent class. So now super means we are accessing the start method of vehicle or parent class. So this is the super class. Now we are printing in our start or our child class method, we are printing car started. Okay, now we have created two classes. One is parent class, second one is child class. We have created one method called start, and we have printed vehicle started. We have created one more similar name of method, and its name is same as our parent class which is start, and we have printed car started, and we are also accessing the method of our parent class. So now we are going to create one new object. So if you don't know how to create classes and objects, so I have made video on that also, so you can watch that video from our descriptions. I have given the link of that video in our description. Okay, so now this is the car. So car is a class name, C is a object name, equal to is assignment operator, new is keyword in Java to create objects. This is the constructor. So car is a constructor. We are going to see what is constructor in our further videos. Okay, so now we are going to call the start method. So now think about that, which start method will be called. So now think about that. What do you think? So I hope you have understand that you are telling that we will access only this. If you guess that this method will be print, then you are partially correct, but partially you are wrong. So it will print both things. So how it will be happen? So it will print, first of all it will print vehicle started, and after that it will print car started. Why? Because we have used super keyword. So super keyword also will access this. Also this will access the parent class methods. So super is used for accessing the parent class methods. So now first of all it will print vehicle started, and it will print car started. And but you will think that we have created object of car class. So it will, so how vehicle will be accessed the, but you know that the car is a child class of vehicle, and child class can access all the properties of parents. So we have created object of car class, but car class have access of all the things, all the attributes and methods of parent class. So it can access all the things of parent class. So it is accessing its own start method also, but because of superclass it is also accessing the parent class start method. So this is the implementation of uh, inheritance. So I hope you have understood this. So if you don't understood this, then you can ask me the question in comment box. I will answer each and every question. Okay, now we are moving towards further slides. So now we are going to see types of inheritance. So there are various types of inheritance. First of all, there is a single inheritance, like we have seen in our previous slide. We have performed single inheritance. So there will be one parent class and there will be only one child class. So this is known as single inheritance. In multiple inheritance, there will be one subclass and there will be multiple superclass. Like in real world, you can think that there will be one child, but there are various parents. So do you think that this is possible? So no. So this is also not possible in Java, because multiple inheritance is not allowed in Java, because one child uh, will never have two fathers. So this is the not allowed. So this is not uh, allowed in Java also. So this is not happen in Java. Okay, now there is a multi-level inheritance. So now how it can be happen? So multi-level inheritance, it is like in chain parent or child classes. So there will be one parent class, then there will be one child class, then again there will be one uh, child class, then again there will be one child class. So this is like chain structure. So this is known as multi-level. So there are different levels: first level, second level, third level, and likewise. Okay, so this is known as multi-level inheritance. So now there is a hierarchical inheritance. So now it will be implemented by using, there will be one uh, superclass, means there will be one parent and there will be multiple uh, child. So this can be happen in real world also, and it is allowed in Java. So there will be one parent and there will be many child. So this is the hierarchical uh, inheritance. Okay, so now, but multiple inheritance is not allowed in Java. Okay, and there is one more type, but it is known as hybrid inheritance. I have not included in our slide because it is not important. So now, what is hybrid inheritance? So it is a combination of two or more types of inheritance. So if we combine this and this uh, inheritance, then it will become hybrid inheritance. Okay, so now we are going to move further. So now, accessing superclass members. So how can we access superclass or parent class members? So we have already seen our program. We have used super method to access the overridden superclass methods or attributes. So we have accessed the overridden. We will going to see what is override overloading in our further videos. So you can access it by override by superclass super method. Okay, so now it can invoke super init method in super subclass constructor. Okay, so now allows incremental modification. Okay, I think that this is very advanced, so just ignore it. Okay, so now we are going to see method overriding. So we are going to cover this overriding in our special one video. So this is not covered in this one slide. So just we are going to overview. So, overriding means there will be same type of method name, but there will be in different classes. So this is known as overriding, means there will be methods which have same name, but there will be in different classes. So this is known as overriding. So if you don't understand, then don't worry, because we are going to cover this topic in our special or separate video. Okay, so now abstract classes and methods. So we are going to see all these things in our abstraction video, which will be in our further videos. So what is abstract method? Abstract method means it will not provide body, just it will be provide the uh, blueprint of our methods or classes. So this is known as abstract. Abstract means it will provide overview of our classes and objects. It will not instantiate that directly. Okay, so it can be instantiated by using child class or in other classes. Okay, so now what are the benefits of inheritance? So it provides code reusability. So we can use block of code again and again by just using extends keyword. So we can access all the things of our previous code by using inheritance. So we don't have to write that similar code again and again. We can directly access through our parent class. Okay, now what is polymorphism? It provides polymorphism. We are going to see this topic in our further videos. So it will provide polymorphism, organize hierarchies. So it will provide well manner structure, and it will provide clarity to developers, so everyone can understand the code easily by using inheritance. Okay, so now we are going to end our session by this summary. So we have seen what is inheritance, then we have seen implementation of inheritance by using a program, then we have seen types of inheritance, and then we have seen applications or benefits of inheritance. So this is all about our this module, and we have covered all the things of inheritance. I hope you have understood what is inheritance now, and in further videos we are going to see different pillars of our oops. So thank you for watching. If you have any question, then feel free to ask in our comment box. So thank you for watching, guys. Bye bye.